I'm coming. Okay. A lot of wind. The wire. There's Willow. Do you see Willow? Hi, Willow. She can't walk on it.
I'll take a video up here if you want to. I can't carry it.
Too heavy, big boy? I'll carry you.
Plus there's all the snow. I think Willow's a little worried too. When is Dave supposed to come?
I don't know.
We can get out of here.
Oh, not remotely. See if they plowed the road. Come on, they said. Let's go.
I'm
Coming.
coming. Chloe, come on! They couldn't. The neighbors couldn't even get up their driveway. They parked their car down there.
Wow, look at the way the snow is carved around the big boulder.
Tree cracking. He must have come home from work and couldn't get up the driveway.
Well, they have a parking spot down there. Just for the tree.
Yeah. Can you pull his hat down over his ears? What's the chances we get mail today? Josie's just trying to make it to the road. The problem with this is, even after it stops snowing, they're going to have to plow over again because of the wind.
Uh-oh, Josie's got her frozen foot.
I think I just got my exercise walking down the driveway today.